Today, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Shopify store, whether you're managing products, checking orders, or updating your store settings. Accessing your Shopify admin is the first step to running your business smoothly. Let's walk through this process together. First, open your web browser and in the search bar type Shopify admin. This is the quickest way to get to the Shopify login page without having to remember the exact URL. Once you search, you'll see several results appear on your screen. From those search results, look for the link that says Shopify Login and click on it. This will take you directly to the official Shopify login page where you can access your store's admin panel. It's important to use the official link to ensure you're logging into a secure page. Once you're on the Shopify login page, you'll see a login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This button will take you to the next step where you can either select an existing account or add a new one depending on your needs. Now, here's where things get convenient. If you've previously logged into your Shopify account on this browser, you'll see your account listed. You can simply click on your existing account to proceed. Alternatively, if you need to log in with a different account or it's your first time on this device, you can click Add Account to enter new credentials. For this example, let's click on the existing account that's already displayed. After clicking your account, Shopify will automatically log you in. The system recognizes your saved credentials and grants you access to your store's admin dashboard. This automatic login feature saves you time and makes managing your store much more efficient, especially if you're logging in frequently throughout the day. And that's it. You're now logged into your Shopify store and ready to manage your business. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.